ब्रॉडकास्ट। तो स्वागत आप सभी का यहाँ पे एक बार फिर से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। सो अनदर गुड अपडेट यहाँ पे फाइनली रिलीज़ हो चुकी है फ्रॉम द डीएफएस। सो यहाँ पे जो अप्रूवल्स हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस वो फटाफट यहाँ पे दोस्तों दे रही है। सो उसी को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करूँगा अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो होपफुली इट विल बी अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर, आप सभी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर होने वाला है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द ऑफिशियल जो अभी अपडेट जस्ट नाउ इट इज़ रिलीज, तो अभी रिलीज हुआ है एंड वी गोना सी दैट एग्जैक्टली। सो उससे पहले प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। सो यहाँ पे लाइक जरूर कर देना इस वीडियो को तुरंत अभी। सो डीएफएस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस अप्रूवल फाइनली केम एंड इसी के रिगार्डिंग मुझे काफ़ी in the group we were discussing this and finally the approval got in this matter. So kindly share the update and subscribe to channel for free. So start करते हैं with the official notification that we have here dated 14 September। तो finally यहाँ पे notification आप on the screens देख सकते हैं। तो इसी की discussion since morning we were having and finally it got approved from the Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services to all the chairmen and of all RRBs, regional rural banks, that is subject implementation of compassionate appointment schemes in RRBs। तो फाइनली ये रिलीज हो चुकी है। सो इसी के रिगार्डिंग आई रिमेंबर सो मैनी क्वेरीज। सो फाइनली यहाँ पे ये इम्प्लीमेंट हो चुकी है एंड आई एम डायरेक्टेड टू रेफर टू नंबर लेटर नंबर दिस dated 1st 9 January 2019 on the above subject and convening approval of the government for implementation of revised model scheme for appointment on compassionate ground in RRBs as per the scheme in public sector banks। So public sector banks में ये already implemented है while later dated 11th August 2014। So scheme was made effective from the date on which Board of Individuals RRBs adopted the same। So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं। So in terms of paragraph 8.1 and 8.2 of the said scheme, application for employment under the scheme from eligible dependents should normally be considered up to 5 years from the date of death or retirement on medical grounds and decisions to be taken on merit in each case। So however, bank can consider request for compassionate appointment even when the death or retirement on medical grounds of employees took place long back, even 5 years ago। So even 5 years ago, so ये important है। So in some RRBs, appointment on compassionate ground under the scheme was not allowed where the employees had expired prior to RRBs adopting the scheme, so resulting in litigation in courts of law। So while disposing the petitions, the honorable courts have said that paragraph 8.2 of the scheme has a retrospective effect and appointments on compassionate ground can be considered if the death of employee had occurred within the span of 5 years preceding the adoption of the scheme। So appeals SLPs filed against such orders have been dismissed। So keeping in view, RRBs are advised to consider the eligible applicants for appointment on compassionate ground in terms of paragraph 8.2 of the scheme। So in case the death of the employees had occurred within 5 years preceding the adoption of the scheme। So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं in case the death of the employee had occurred within the 5 years preceding the adoption of scheme subject to the other conditions laid down in the said scheme। So यहाँ पे दोस्तों you can see here this is a quite good important update। finally the notification है वो रिलीज़ हो चुका है from the DFS Ministry of Finance। So friends please share this update for the latest banking and pension related updates के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना दोस्तों। And that's it for this session। Bye bye, please take care all friends।